Hello peeps, it is good to see you visiting my channel. Welcome. Have you been searching on YouTube how to upgrade your Dell G5 15 exact model listed right in front of you? Well, look no further because you came to the right video guide. Here I will show how to install a 2.5-inch SATA SSD drive and extend the RAM to 16 gigabytes. I hope you will find it useful. So without further ado, let's get straight into it, shall we? How convenient, only one screw. It doesn't get out all the way, so don't try to force it. Safety first, disconnect the battery before touching any of the components. It is now more than safe to insert this additional 8GB Samsung module. This plastic casing for a 2.5-inch disc was already included. The SATA connector already here also. Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. Reconnecting the battery again. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.